While I was searching for a winning product on Etsy to design and sell, I came across this amazing idea. And guess what? As I'm talking to you right now, this product is actively selling. Let me explain what it is and how we can create it quickly. If we take a closer look, this product is basically an activity to help kids learn colors. It's designed as jars, each jar in a different color, with matching objects representing that color. For example, a child cuts out all the yellow shapes and places them into the yellow jar, all the orange ones into the orange jar, and so on. This way, kids learn their colors while having fun. And don't worry, my friend, this isn't a physical product. It's a digital product, sold as a downloadable PDF file. Now, if we scroll down a bit on the Etsy listing, we see that the seller has received over 1,500 excellent reviews for this product, proving it's selling really well. Even better, while researching, I found that competition for this type of product is very low. That means you should start today. Design this product, upload it to your Etsy store, and your chances of success will be very high. Let's analyze the product together. I discovered that it is sold 1,773 times, generating over $7,800. That's incredible for such a simple idea. So let's learn how to make it step by step. First, we'll open Canva and create a document sized 8.5 by 11 inches. Then, in the Elements tab, search for jar. You'll find hundreds of designs to choose from. For example, I'll pick this one, enlarge it, and place it at the center of the page so it's big enough for kids to paste items inside. Next, I'll change the jar color. Let's start with orange. Doesn't it look great? We can also write the color name on the jar itself. For instance, I'll place the word green on the jar lid. It looks amazing. Then we simply duplicate the page, change the jar color to yellow, and replace the word green with yellow. I'll just show you two pages here, green and yellow, but you can continue creating the rest of the colors. Now that we have the main jar pages, we need to design the small cutout objects kids will sort into the jars. For this, create a new page, go to Elements, and insert a simple square. Resize it and make the border dotted so kids know where to cut. Then copy it 6 times and arrange them neatly across the page. Each page will contain 6 objects. To speed things up, I'll go to ChatGPT and ask it to suggest 6 child-friendly objects for each color. For example, 6 green items and 6 yellow ones. Then, I'll search for those images in Canva and place them inside the boxes. Each page will have 6 cutout shapes for kids to use. Here's a quick tip. I've made a lot of money in this field, selling books and digital products on Amazon and Etsy. There's a lot of potential here, but you need to stay consistent. Upload new products every week, and over time, you'll start seeing real success. My goal is to share with you low competition products with very high chances of success. So make sure to follow me and check out my YouTube channel. I'm very active right now, and all my content is completely free. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment to support me. Finally, after creating 2 sample pages, you now understand the concept. Go ahead and finish the rest of the colors yourself. Once done, export your file as a PDF and upload it to Etsy. Then, just sit back and wait for the sales to come in. See you in the next video. Goodbye!